Hey, this is Curtis Hyde with Colorado Computer Support. Welcome to this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. I'm down here at America, the beautiful park here in Colorado Springs, to talk to you about a very controversial topic we see a lot these days, and that is sharing pictures and videos online and social media by use of vertical video. And what we mean by that is whenever you hold your cell phone vertically and not horizontally. So let's dive into this topic and find out the difference of what it does to your eyes and the aesthetics of your picture whenever you choose to go from horizontal to vertical. Well, welcome to the world of vertical video. I have now changed my phone position from a horizontal hold on my tripod to a vertical hold. And as you can see, standing in the exact same position, a drastic change of quality. I'm taking up most of the space. You can see the beautiful landscape behind me. And most importantly, on the screen, you're probably noticing the video is very thin, and a wide part of the screen is filled with black because there's nothing there. We've taken that away, and we've given this picture a very unaesthetic and not very pretty sight to our eyes. So let's go ahead and change back to what we should be positioned with horizontal video. Hey, welcome back to the world of horizontal phones. It's a much better feeling. As you can see, the aesthetics is now back in the picture, and I'm sure your whole screen is now filled by my picture rather than some weird fillers on the side. So all I did was just change that position once again from the vertical position back to horizontal to bring it back, and as you can tell aesthetically, your eyes are loving this. Now, one thing you must think about whenever you set this up is our eyeballs run side to side from each other. They're not stacked on top of each other on our head. So that's the reason why the vertical video doesn't make sense. If our eyeballs were on top of each other where our nose and forehead were, that would make complete sense to hold vertical picture. But since our eyes are placed on our heads horizontally, make sure you have a horizontal hold with your phone whenever you're sharing photos. So the next time you're hanging out with your friends and posting something to social media, you step back from a group picture, make sure you have your phone horizontal, hold back, smile, take that picture, enjoy the shot, share it on your social media, and you'll give a much better experience to your friends and families whenever you're bragging about where you've gone and what you've done this weekend on your social media accounts. Hope this was helpful. Have a wonderful time playing with this. We'll see you next time here on the Tuesday Tech Tip. And as always, if you ever need any computer assistance, feel free to give us a call at Colorado Computer Support. Our phone number is 719-439-0599. See you next time. Thank you.